While Tesla has undoubtedly revolutionized the automotive industry with its electric vehicles and cutting-edge technology, there are several factors potential buyers should consider before making a purchase. From concerns about charging infrastructure to reliability issues and high upfront costs, we'll explore the key reasons why some consumers might hesitate to invest in a Tesla. So, hello and welcome to Engine Junkie, where we delve into the reasons why buying a Tesla might not be the right choice for you. Number 1. Build quality issues. Build quality issues have been a notable point of contention for Tesla, sparking debate and concern among consumers and automotive enthusiasts alike. While Tesla has undeniably made significant strides in revolutionizing the electric vehicle market and pushing the boundaries of automotive technology, reports of build quality issues have persisted. One commonly cited issue is the presence of inconsistent panel gaps, where the alignment between body panels may vary or appear uneven. Additionally, concerns have been raised regarding paint quality, with some owners reporting issues such as uneven paint application, thin spots, or paint imperfections. Interior fit and finish problems have also been reported, including misaligned trim pieces, loose components, and squeaks or rattles within the cabin. These build quality issues have prompted questions about Tesla's manufacturing processes and quality control standards. While the company has taken steps to address these concerns over time, including implementing improvements in its production processes and conducting quality audits, reports of build quality issues continue to surface. Number 2. There are more affordable EV options. Considering alternative electric vehicles to Tesla offers diverse options in terms of body styles, sizes, and features, potentially providing a better fit for individual preferences. Concerns about build quality issues in certain Tesla models prompt some consumers to explore EVs from established automakers with a track record of superior craftsmanship. While Tesla models tend to command a premium price, other EVs on the market may offer more affordable options without compromising on performance or features. Expanding charging infrastructure beyond Tesla's supercharger network provides increased convenience and reduced range anxiety for owners of alternative EVs. Brand loyalty and preferences, along with the desire to explore unique innovations and technologies offered by other automakers, influence some consumers to consider alternative electric vehicles. Number 3. In-car cameras. The inclusion of in-car cameras in Tesla vehicles has become a subject of scrutiny for prospective buyers, primarily due to concerns surrounding privacy and data security. While these cameras are primarily intended for driver assistance features and potential future autonomous driving capabilities, the prospect of constant monitoring within the confines of one's vehicle has sparked debate. Privacy concerns arise from the potential for misuse of data collected by these cameras. Even though Tesla has stated that the cameras are not currently activated and do not transmit data unless specifically enabled by the user for certain features, questions linger about the possibility of unauthorized access or activation without user consent. This has led to apprehension among consumers regarding the extent to which their personal privacy may be compromised. Furthermore, the storage and security of data captured by in-car cameras raise additional worries. The collection of video footage, both of the vehicle's interior and exterior, prompts questions about data security protocols and the safeguarding of personal information. Concerns about data breaches or unauthorized access highlight the need for robust security measures to protect user privacy. Number 4. Tesla's performance drops as the temperature drops. In colder climates, Tesla vehicles encounter several challenges related to temperature drops. One prominent issue is the reduction in battery efficiency, stemming from increased internal resistance within the battery cells. This diminished efficiency translates into decreased driving range and slower charging times, affecting the overall usability of the vehicle during winter months. To mitigate these effects, Tesla vehicles rely heavily on battery preconditioning, a process that involves heating both the battery and cabin before driving. While preconditioning helps optimize battery performance and enhance occupant comfort, it also consumes additional energy, potentially reducing the vehicle's overall range. Furthermore, cold weather conditions can impair the effectiveness of regenerative braking systems, which capture energy during deceleration. Reduced traction on icy or snowy roads limits the vehicle's ability to regenerate energy, impacting both braking performance and energy recuperation. Number 5. Lack of character. Tesla vehicles are often critiqued for their perceived lack of character, stemming from several factors. Firstly, their uniform design aesthetic, while sleek and modern, may be seen as lacking the distinctive styling elements found in some luxury or performance vehicles. Additionally, Tesla's minimalist interiors, characterized by large touchscreen displays and sparse cabin layouts, may feel sterile or impersonal compared to more traditional interiors with tactile buttons and premium materials. Moreover, Tesla cars offer fewer customization options compared to some luxury brands, limiting the ability for owners to personalize their vehicles to their tastes. This emphasis on mass-market appeal and technological innovation, while appealing to a broad consumer base, may overshadow the emotional or visceral driving experiences that enthusiasts seek in a vehicle. Consequently, despite Tesla's advancements in technology and performance, some critics argue that its cars prioritize functionality over individuality and fail to evoke the same emotional connection as other luxury or performance vehicles. As we conclude this exploration into the reasons why purchasing a Tesla might not be the best fit for everyone, it's essential to recognize that while Tesla has revolutionized the automotive industry with its innovation and sustainability, there are valid considerations that consumers should weigh before making a decision. Ultimately, the decision to buy a Tesla should be based on careful consideration of all relevant factors and a thorough understanding of one's own wants and needs. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we hope this video has provided valuable insights to help guide your decision-making process. Your Engine Junkie team.